Do you love the professional look of the perfectly focused foreground and the dreamy, creamy, blurred background? In this video, I will give you the list of the best camera lens for blurred background out there. To see the price and find out more information on this camera lens, check the link in the description below. Also make sure you subscribe for more of our latest reviews. Let's get started. At number 1. Opteka 85mm Aspherical Lens. Opteka Aspherical Telephoto Lens is suitable for a wide range of Nikon SLR and DSLR cameras. This could be one of the lower-priced contenders for Nikon lens for bokeh. This is a fully manual lens, with no motor-driven autofocus function. If you like to be entirely hands-on, this could be your lens. It works with full-frame cameras and APS-C DSLR cameras. The f1.8 aperture is capable of superb lineation and a beautiful bokeh effect, made possible by the 10 internal lens elements. The HD super coating prevents light flare and ghosting. This Opteka lens is excellent for capturing perfectly focused portraits, and images that demand a natural depth of field. At number 2 is Nikon Nikkor 85mm lens with autofocus. This could be the best Nikon lens for bokeh, with an ultra-fast f1.4 lens and a nanocrystal coating for repelling dust, grime, water and oils that can affect the fast focus action of the lens. The focal length of this lens is 85mm, with a minimum focal distance of 3 feet. The internal focus setting offers quick and quiet autofocus without requiring you to change the length of the lens. This is helpful when maintaining close proximity to the subject of your photo, which is necessary for a decent bokeh effect. This mid-range telephoto lens provides super sharp images. The fast f1.4 aperture delivers a bright viewfinder and beautiful bokeh. At number 3 is Sony Selph 28mm f/2-22 lens. The Sony Selph 28 f/20 is a standard prime lens for mirrorless cameras, providing impressive optical performance through a wide focal length of 28mm. The maximum aperture of this lens is f2, which lets in plenty of light and creates a gorgeous bokeh effect. This could seriously be our favorite bokelicious lens of the selection. The focal length is 28mm, with a minimum focus distance of 0.96 feet in autofocus mode and 0.82 feet in manual focus mode. The maximum magnification in autofocus is 0.13, and 0.16 in manual focus. At number 4 is Sigma 20mm f1.4 Art DGH-SM lens. This lens fits a variety of Canon, Nikon and Sigma DSLRs and is particularly resistant to strong, incidental light sources, so is a good choice if shooting images with a powerful backlight. The Sigma's 20mm lens is designed to minimize chromatic aberration, focal distortion, and ghosting, producing beautifully bright images in low light when shot at f1.4. This combination of bright image and fast focus speed make this an excellent lens for bokeh backgrounds. This wide-angle prime lens is designed to fit full frame, as well as APS-C sensor cameras. It provides stunning edge-to-edge focal performance, even when shot at its widest setting. This lens can be updated and customized via USB, and is compatible with the mount conversion service. At number 5 is Canon f50mm f1. 2 liters USM standard lens. This lens is quite possibly the best Canon lens for bokeh, with a maximum aperture for excellent definition between a sharply focused foreground and a creamy, blurred background. This weather-resistant lens has a maximum aperture and focal length of 50mm, f1.2. The closest focusing distance is 1.48 feet, which isn't the closest in this list, but the f1.2 setting creates a beautiful creamy blur. The lens can be switched between auto and manual focus, using an ultrasonic motor.